What does a refrigerated centrifuge used for PRP preparation projects look like? Today let's introducing the BYL-5R low-speed freeze centrifuge. A large color touchscreen displays operating parameters. Operation is simple. To adjust parameters, press the settings button. When the parameter cursor is highlighted in blue, use the up and down arrow keys to increase or decrease the value. Features 10 speed adjustment levels. The lower the number, the faster the acceleration or deceleration. The buttons at the bottom are in order: start, stop, and door open. The unit now displays its number 3 horizontal swing basket, 4 to 100 milliliters, with an 8-well adapter. A common configuration for PRP preparation. Before centrifugation, place sample tubes in equal and symmetrical quantities into the wells. If there are fewer samples, fill the empty wells with an equal volume of water to balance the load and ensure optimal centrifugation results. To remove the adapter and swing basket, insert an Allen wrench into the center hole of the rotor. Loosen the locking nut by turning it counterclockwise until the rotor is removed. Insert the steel fork vertically into the center hole of the rotor. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the locking nut in a clockwise direction. Be sure to tighten the nut by alternating sides multiple times. Then, simply hang the swing arm with the adapter in the grooves of the rotor.